Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Teal, and today I have an easy and fun technique to show you. All you need are a few simple materials: paint, string, and a book. Your book can be any kind of sketchbook, but I prefer the hardbound books, and you'll see why when I show you what to do. So to begin, you're going to take your string, and I would just cut about a yard or two of it. It's always better to have a little bit more than not enough. You're going to open your book up to a blank page, and you're going to take one end of your string and you're going to put it in a cup of paint. Now I'm using black acrylic paint. You could try this with any color you want. I have not tried this with any kind of paint besides acrylic, but I would imagine that it would work with other kinds as well, like tempera. So give it a try and let me know how it goes for you in the comments of this video. All right, so once you put your string in, leave a piece of string hanging out clean. You're going to want to then pinch off any excess paint from the string as you pull the string out of your cup. You're going to then put that string carefully on your book page, on one page only. And it looks best if you twist the string around and kind of make some swirls and curly cues, and then leave the clean end hanging out of the book and close your book. Press down on the book cover and pull the clean end of the string, removing all of the string from your book. Then, when you open up your book, you are going to see a mirror image design on both pages of your book created from that paint-covered string. And from here, you can do anything you want with that page. I mean, maybe it's done, or maybe you want to add on to it and turn those marks into something. So just for a quick replay to make sure you understand what to do, you take that string that's covered in your paint, you twist it and place it down inside your book, you hold down that cover, pull out the clean end of the string, and after you pull it out, you can just toss that string away or do it again. And then you open up your book and you have a beautiful work of art. Leave your book open so that it can dry, because if you shut your book again, it is going to stick together and dry glued shut. Please give this a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments. And of course, if you want to see more art demos and tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.